Good afternoon, students and staff. I wanted to just take an opportunity to talk with you a little bit about some things that are making people's days go a little bit better. I had a chance to visit with some seventh and eighth grade teachers today at a team meeting and asked them, and then just a couple of other people in the building here, about what they see as being real benefits to them, making their days go a little bit brighter. I, for one, I've been trying to get out on my four wheeler and take that out every once in a while. In fact, I drove it to work today, and I don't normally do that, but it's just kind of fun, and it's one of those things that kind of brightens your day. I mentioned one person said that they have to develop a plan for the day, and that's just their thing. And once they do that, things just go that much better. They also plan on almost a daily routine of doing some cooking of some sort. One person uses devotions. Another one is walking a dog, making progress on board games, and somebody's watching a Marvel movie marathon. Mrs. Dorhout, I know she looks forward to, she's got a 3 mile walk every day with our dog, and that's kind of what keeps her calm in these days. Mrs. Maloney, if you don't know, hers, I'll just share that with you. It's cuddling and snuggling with her new granddaughter, and she still she gets a big smile on her face every time she talks about that new grandbaby. Exercising for another one, with a game night after supper almost every night. There's others that are on the farm helping with pigs and just taking care of all of the livestock. So another person with exercise, another person just spending time with their family, and doing some education with one of their own kids. And one of the other staff is actually sewing masks and helping out, doing that for family and friends. And I also am like another staff member trying to take care of a property, just maintaining some things that have kind of been let go. So that's been good as well. But really, students, I'm just hoping that you find that time to take care of yourself and do something that's a little bit out of the ordinary. A lot of that stuff involves being outside or exercise. And I still strongly encourage you to get out and go for a walk. Absolutely, though, make sure that you're social distancing and taking care of yourself, and not congregating with others. If you are talking to somebody, make sure that you're at least 6 feet away from them, and wearing a mask anytime you're close to them. And my hope is that you continue. We'll find out from the governor. We anticipate in the next day or two what is going to happen with schools, and we'll let you know about that. We're going to take good care of things. Either continue the format that we are, or we'll start planning for coming back to school one way or the other. So, excuse me about that. So with that, just wanted to say, hang in there. I know things are tough. If you can do something for your parents or your guardians, just step out of your comfort zone. And they're going through the same struggles that you are. If you can step out and help them in some way and do something that's kind of unexpected, that's actually a nice thing for them, it would be awesome. So take care of yourselves, and we'll talk to you later.